Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can hide your active or online status on Messenger. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to hide your active status on Messenger, it's actually so easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Messenger. And after opening your Messenger, next, I want you to tap this 3 lines at the top left corner to open your menu. And here at the menu, you will then be able to see the settings icon right here. So just go and tap it to open your Messenger settings. And once you're on settings, there it is guys. You will now be able to see the active status option right here, so just go and tap it. And then just turn it off to completely hide your active status from your friends on Messenger. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Messenger active or online status will now be hidden from others on Messenger. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.